Ever sent money by mistake or got scammed on Cash App? Let's walk you through how to file a chargeback and what to expect step by step. So, before we begin, here what you will need. Access to your Cash App account. Make sure you're logged in. Then the transaction ID or the receipt. You will find it under the payment detail. Any proof of unauthorized charge if applied, like the screenshots or messages. And finally, a device with internet connections like phone, tablet, or computer. So what is a chargeback on Cash App? Unlike traditional bank, Cashback doesn't offer traditional chargeback, but you can dispute a transaction in case of unauthorized payment, goods or service not delivered, or scam or fraudulent merchants. So step 1 is request a dispute. So first, locate the transaction. Open the Cash App, then tap Activity, then select the payment in question and tap the 3 dot. Now, step 2 is report the issues. For that, tap Need Help or Cash App Support. Then choose Dispute this transaction. Then follow the instruction and provide the details. Then attach screenshot or receipt if needed. Second is wait for resolution. Cash App will review your dispute and they might contact the other party. If valid, then your money may be refunded in 7 to 10 days business. And remember that chargeback through your bank or card may be possible if Cash App fails. Dispute for cash card transactions go through Visa or MasterCard networks. And lastly, always contact Cash App first before external chargeback. So if this helped you out, make sure to like, comment your questions, and of course subscribe for more Cash App tutorials. Stay smart with your money. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.